Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Lexus ES350 headlight bulb. It's a straightforward process that you can easily do yourself with just a few basic tools. First, ensure your car is safely parked on a level surface with the engine off. Then, gather your 10mm socket, a flathead screwdriver, and your new headlight bulb. This preparation makes the entire process much smoother and quicker for you. Now, let's get to the headlight itself. Pop open your hood and you'll see the headlight assembly right there. You'll need to disconnect the electrical connector first. Just press the small release tab and gently pull it away. Next, grab your 10mm socket and remove the two bolts holding the headlight assembly in place. Once those are out, you can carefully pull the entire assembly forward to gain better access. With the assembly out, it's time to replace the bulb. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to release it from its socket. Carefully pull it straight out. When handling your new bulb, remember to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, aligning the tabs, and twist it clockwise to lock it securely into position. You're almost done. Great job! Now, let's put everything back together. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its position and secure it with the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical connector. You should hear a clear click when it's properly seated. Finally, turn on your car and test the new headlight to confirm it's working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.